Hey y'all, welcome to day 7 of our 10-day creativity challenge. Once again, I'm Catherine. So we are talking about dynamics today. How to add some dynamic contour to your song to bring out the story of the song, to make it more interesting, both for you to play and for your audience, for your listener, whoever that might be. So dynamics means how loud or how soft you play the notes, you play the song. So we can take it back to our example of Amazing Grace. So instead of doing the song the same dynamic level the whole way through, like maybe I'm playing medium loud the whole way through, I'm gonna add some contour here. So maybe I start really soft. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. So kind of some extreme examples in there, but just wanted to show you how effective that can be to grab the listener. Whatever song you're working on, you can now start to think about, oh, where do I want to have it be really soft? Bring it down. Where do I want to bring in more energy? Maybe on the chorus, I make it louder, both on my instrument and my voice, or whatever instruments you have going on in your arrangement. So that is your assignment for day 7, to play with the dynamics of your song, experiment with louds and softs and everywhere in between. Maybe you write it out on your music if you've got a printout. Let me know how it goes. Enjoy this challenge. It's a really fun one, and I will see you soon in day 8. Bye. Ukulele wine time.